For breaking news, go to iDiskiTimes.co.za. iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. iDiskiTimes.co.za. Kaizer Chiefs 2, Sekhukhune 1. Very difficult first half to watch. In the second half, Kaizer Chiefs comes back to score 2 unanswered goals. Sekhukhune nearly equalizing as well towards the end of the game. On the balance of chances, maybe 2-1 is a deserved score. That was a very difficult first half, but maybe improving towards as the game goes on. Khanye, analyst, what to make of the game, sir?
Nkululeko mabrada kunjani ngibulise ujustice umntana kaChriste uMachaka ngibulise Benedict Sovila kazi bafethi kunjani, keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. A very difficult first half indeed, you're right, yabo. Both teams not clear. Badlala ngathi they bengana plan how they're gonna approach a game, especially in terms of attacking, how they wanna defend. Asicale ngeSekhukhune very poor. It's like these are professional footballers, both teams. If they can't trap, kuba nenkinga enkulu Nkuleko. If they can't pass accuracy, okay, we understand accuracy. We understand their passes or mischarge mhlambe will pass but intercept okanye le wide or lengaphandle. Lingafiki ku-opponent yakho, ultimate yakho. But now today too many areas, especially ku both teams, not only Sekhukhune, also at Kaizer Chiefs. And West Partians are attacker midfielders with Chiefs nama midfielders with Sekhukhune. Umkocho, too many mistakes from him. Umkocho I know is a quality player. I'm not too sure. Mangicheka ukuthi beba supporter okanye I think I need to go and watch this game again. Poala, I think Chibwaba, yes, they're playing both of them, both up front of Umkocho, but too far from each other. Mangiti too far.
No, whereby is supposed to be part.
I mean to say Chibwaba umuntu odlala udlala phambi kwabo Weber Umkocho, they both a defensive holding midfield. Chip Ulo udlala in front of them. But now, into difficult nguleko engiyibonile la kule game. Weber is too far from Umkocho. Now Chipwaba is too far from Umkocho and Weber. So without the combination, how you gonna create goals? How you gonna find yourself a box in the Kaizer Chiefs? How you gonna find these three people? Poala, I still wanna find out why coach imqina imqine. Ngikhuluma kuma game wonke uPwala coach, yes, I'm talking about Sekhukhune coach loves uPwala yena truth, but uPwala what is he bringing? Because the energy is low. Energy Sekhukhune, especially my players who they approach this game, there was no energy level, was poor. But approach game they playing away. You cannot approach a game ngalendlela. Ngibone na the way ufuna uqala ibhola nale goal ebalikorayo. Both teams benza into abangayazi. You can't start the ball at the back. Ungana those kind of players aba comfortable ebholeni. And aba screen ama play with Chiefs ne Sekhukhune when they go for a ball goalkeeper. They just go to the ball without even looking. Ile bengi complain anotso. A very good player Utso will tell we are screening Nkuleko before we receive the ball. We are check up behind ukuthi ngenze njani. So yiwo ngithi quality I basic ezinye zezinto. Going to a gaming, truly speaking, Sekhukhune they deserve by lose the game. Nkuleko the way they score, I don't think they deserve to score a mistake at Kaizer Chiefs. At the back Chiefs, Umart they play him by Sipola White, Lomchita lo Frosta uthatha ibhola alifaka phakathi. Mart with the weaker foot waphasa ibhola kancane. Sekhukhune take the ball. And then Makwana, he had to finish. So, he mistake Kaizer Chiefs. Because of Bayern's in Tabangaya's at the back. You cannot do when the combination play at the back. Midfield comfortable in terms of combine. So, you need the back in Zokonaganjan. We should you guys are better than me midfield than up front. In 10 guys. Niboni the Bayern's and Kemisan Towns go first leg, but consider and I'm trying to Bayern's but consider. Going to game Jayonke, Sekhukhune, I don't think they deserve something because energy level. They couldn't Makwana no, they couldn't even find Yena Ukamkhelo and Weber Nalumchita Uchipaba. They couldn't find these three. So energy level I'm a player wise Sekhukhune question mark. Defense over wiki Hispanidi defense Hispanidi but angeke uphize udefend abantu abeza kuwe. Side in the Kaizer Chiefs first half now they did exactly what Sekhukhune did. Mart Castillo in front of Ngbonile in front of Ulo. Matlo, yes, it's Mart. it's Castillo Matlo
Yeah.
up front, but far from each other. Their combination is fun. Coach, yes, they won the game. Compliment Kaizer Chiefs winning the game in NH. NH Kaizer Chiefs mentally they fought. I wonder these players Nyabaniga in terms of NH they fought in this game. Aksuguti they played pretty, but they fought. NH level yabo you cannot question, especially second half. But first half, Umar Tule no Mutlo Ule Mutlo Yemen Modi Mamebo Ichu. And then Castillo has become a striker. Chief of Umeno no Saile. So immediate is of function kanjani and no is two people and pola good defense yabo. How are you gonna find with the Priest Lapayana and no Modi? Ngoba imove Chiefs ngikhuluma ngama attacker no more not the Priest but kali imove yabo yafine yabo or far from ipali noma ngabe bangafa bafika bakhathele epalini. So it's very difficult good batholane nalabantu abayi-3 up front far from each other. Usaile uthi Priest na Modi far from each other. So you ngithi first half team both teams were fun. Second half Kaizer Chiefs energy iba winele game. Too relaxed from Sekhukhune, goalkeeper enza angayazi ezingisho team yonke ibhekele ufuna ukushaya ibhola ngedahela ngelesi ibhola lwela la you have to get punished. You have to, I mean just kick that ball Nkuleko. Goalkeeper, I mean you let the team down. Your team didn't play well and then you let it down. I mean that mistake it changed your completion game. Ibhekele yonke team. And then upasa ngedayila ngelisi. So mistake enkulu goalkeeper is. Second half, I think Kaizer Chiefs, typical Chiefs, you know, le dlala manje currently, you know, across they are very dangerous. Though I don't believe me now cross, but across they're gonna punish you. Froster good ball and good finish. I think it's a good ball. I think the ball really it's a good ball from Foster and also good finish for Udove. Good. I think it's more of a square pass because Tolela Mekon Udove could finish from him. So risky and out of Udayoko move up front. So the game, I say thing is Ankulego. Truly speaking, I now in Tezimna and I petang must next over Yamshambe in Tengatis Nugamnan.
Absolutely nothing much from the game. Other than the fact that there was 3 goals is just a huge coincidence. That was a difficult first half to take. It's so many difficult first halves to watch in the DStv Premiership. It was the same against Cheaper, Namazulu, Cheaper and the Super Sports last night. And then the day before on Monday on a public holiday, it was Amazulu, Polokwane City. It's very difficult to get through these games. It's like, I think anyone would be lying if they can say that they are being entertained by these games at DStv Premiership. But here we are. Sometimes talking about it is more exciting than watching it sometimes, and that's a great shame. It is iDiskiTV, iDiskiTimes, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us.